channel. Today I decided to do a makeup look with a little pop of lavender liner. It's like a pretty pastel lavender liner that I put on top of my lid, and the rest is just a natural everyday bead. I'm really feeling this look. I don't even know what to say, but I'm really feeling this look. I like it a lot. It's very natural, and I want to make sure that I'm bringing that type of content to my channel because I am a makeup artist who specializes in natural makeup. And so I want my YouTube channel to reflect that. I want it to reflect nice natural makeup, but little pops of color, because I also like a little color here and there. And I'm sure, you know, a lot of other people do as well, but they still want to keep that natural, soft beat at the same time. So this is what this makeup look is really giving today, and I like it. I really like it. Off camera, I already done my eyebrows and primed my face. For the foundation that I'm using today is Fenty Beauty in the shade 450. And I'm just going to start out with an e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to apply the foundation all over my face, and also bringing that foundation down to my neck so that everything blends seamlessly. And after I apply it with the brush, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just press it into my skin so that I can get more of a mattified look. This foundation is a little dark, but I'm going to correct it. So. The concealer I'm using today is e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon and Deep Olive. I'm going to take the darker concealer and put it on the outer parts of my eye, and then put the lighter one in the inner corner of my eye and on the outside of my eye so that I can get that lift effect. I'm also going to conceal the bridge of my nose, the top of my lip, my chin, and forehead. And then I'm going to allow it to sit a little bit while I apply my contour. For my contour, I'm using the Morphe concealer in shade C555. I really like this concealer. It's not very dark or harsh. I like how it gives me a nice finish after I use it. It was very easy to blend, and I really like using this brand for my contour. To blend out the contour, I am going to use the same foundation brush, and I'm going to blend that out in an upward motion. You don't want to drag it down because then it would defeat the whole purpose of the contour. So when you are blending it, so that you don't have any harsh lines, make sure that you blend in an upward motion. During this process, you want to make sure that you are really blending everything out really well, which is why I continue to use my foundation brush so that I'm still getting that warmth color from my foundation to just bring and blend out any of the harsh lines from when I concealed my face in any of those areas, because setting my face is next. And like I said before, you definitely want everything to be blended out, no creases, because if you set a crease, you're going to have a crease throughout the rest of the look. So it's just going to mess the whole thing up. So you want to make sure that you blend it out really, really well. And during this time, once you blend it out, if you want to add more concealer, you can do that as well. But I'm not going to do that today because, like I said, I want it to be very natural. So I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks, and I'm just going to continue to just keep blending it out. And then next, I'm going to set with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm just going to apply that in all of the concealed areas. And I'm also going to add a little bit all over my face just to set everything in place before I add the rest of my powders. My blush is Makeup Revolution in Pink Lady. And then I like to set my face so that I can just press all of the powders that I just put on my face in with my Beauty Blender. For today's pop of color, I will be using LA Colors Liquid Eyeliner in Metallic Lavender. The lip liner that I'm using today is from my makeup line Divine Cosmetics in the shade 8. It is a beautiful brown. It's very pigmented. I should have sharpened it before using it, but I didn't. But either way, it still worked wonders. And for the inner part of my lips, I'm going to be using my concealer brush just to get that nice brown, light brown tint. And then on top of that, I will use a clear gloss that I got from my local beauty supply store. Guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and also give me some suggestions on some looks that you might like for me to do.